Hello there, welcome to Genesis Models. My name is Bob Waldron and welcome to this inbox review. We have this beauty here. It is by Eduard, it's 1/48 scale, and it is the very long range Tales of Iwojima. It's in limited edition, and what this is, just to kind of make this a real quick inbox review, because actually we have already reviewed this, right? It was this kit just here, the P51 D5 Mustang. Already done one of these, you can check out the link just there, go check it out and you'll see all the lovely detail and how it's a really nice recommended kit. This here is a rebox, so there's no need to sort of go through it all. We can just have a quick look and just see what little extras, because it's a nice little limited edition. Now this kit was new tooled in 2019, so it's a brand new tool. We've got some nice box art going on here. Just on the side, as you can see, an absolute ton of different markings, and actually some very different ones as well, so rather nice there. Again, we don't need to look at all the plastic, go check out the first review I did. Right, so remove all the plastic and we can nicely quickly just show you the little extras. Right, first off we get this nice sort of limited edition pin that comes in this limited edition kit. Really cool. Bring you a bit closer in, as you can see. We also get a bunch of resin as well. Let's bring you in a bit closer. As you can see, really nice, well detailed resin wheels to go with this. So cool little extra. We do have a booklet and this, and we do get the, as always, the photo etch. I do believe you get it in that kit, as well as some nice canopy masks as well. Then we have the actual decals themselves, right, with some really nice artwork on there. As you can see, pretty good, pretty sort of standard. Let's have a quick look at this just here. What you do get is this nice little extra poster just here as well, so really sort of cool to put up in your workshop. We turn it over and it does have a nice bit of history about it, and a nice little bit of a read, which is rather cool. The instructions, they are all the same, or should be the same. Again, we get a nice bit of a read. We get all the instructions, which is all pretty much the same, so we can just skip past all this. Then we have these lovely markings, and maybe we bring you in a little bit closer. As you can see, sort of nice metal finishes with loads and loads of different types of markings we can go for and choose for. Right, really cool decals with this as well, by the looks of it. And as you can see, absolutely loads. Right, this is a nice limited edition kit. Now prices, if I just kind of quickly check this. Now with the prices, it's quite interesting if I just get these out. Just to kind of sort of show you, our P51D Mustang just here, RRPs at around about £34.99. But quite strangely, right, this kit retails at £33.99, so £1 cheaper. Yet it's a limited edition. You get all this extra pins, resin, posters in here, and it's £1 cheaper, which is rather interesting. And if you wanted to go get it, it is on the Genesis Models website, and with our usual discounts, it is £30.59 for this one, and the Provi Pack edition comes in at £31.49. And if you are a paying subscriber, you can get that extra 5% off and get it even cheaper. So all in all, I mean, it is a nice rebox. It is cheaper. You get extra in there. It's already a fantastic and recommended kit. This limited edition one makes it even more better and more fantastic and much more of a better recommendation. So hopefully you've enjoyed this kind of inbox review of a rebox. But as always, until next time, my name is Bobby Waldron, this is Genesis Models, and I'll catch you later.